Good morning, students. Welcome in pharmacognosy lecture. Today's I will start the next drug, that is collection and preparation of the crude drug for the market as exemplified by opium rolfia. In last lecture we have discussed about the ergot whole study. What we have studied in last lecture about the ergot, synonym, biological source, chemical constituents, collection and preparation of the ergot, then history, then geographical source, use, chemical test. Okay, now I will start the today's drug is a collection and preparation of the crude drug for the market. Now see the first, rolfia. Okay, what is the synonym of rolfia? Synonym of rolfia are rolfia root, serpentina root, chota chand and सर्पगंधा. Okay, rolfia root are the snake-like root. Okay, then biological source, rolfia consists of the dried root of the plant known as the rolfia serpentina benth, belonging to the family Apocynaceae. Okay, these are the biological source. Now see the main part of this drug, cultivation and collection. Okay, under the wide range of the climatic conditions, rolfia grows luxuriantly. However, the flourishes in hot humid conditions and grows satisfactorily in shades. In a wild state, it grows in a variety of the soils, but for cultivation, clay loamy soil with a large amount of the humus and good drainage are supposed to be the ideal. The pH of the soil should be acidic and around 4. The temperature range for cultivation is 10 to 38 degrees Celsius. Then rainfall should be in the range of 250 to 500 centimeter. Then soils containing large amount of the sand make the plants more susceptible for the diseases. Then it can be propagated by various method. Okay, it can be propagated by the various methods such as by seeds, root cutting, then root stumps, etc. The propagation from the seeds is usually the method of choice. The healthy seeds are shown into the nursery beds. The rate of germination of seeds is a very low, hence sufficient quantity of the seeds are shown. The sowing is done in the month of May or at the break of monsoon. The seedlings are then transplanted in the month of August at a distance of 16 to 30 centimeter. The plants are provided with various chemical fertilizers and manners. The chemical fertilizers includes ammonium sulfate, then urea, while the manures includes generally the bone meals. The plant are kept free from the weeds. Then when the plants are about 3 to 4 years old, they are unrooted. Then the roots are cut properly, washed so as to remove the earthy matter and dried in the air. Then it needs about the 5 kilogram of the seeds to produce the seedling sufficient to cover the area of 1 hectare after the transplantation. Then the average yield of the root per hectare is a 1200 kg. It may vary depending upon the soil, then climatic condition and range of the plant. Okay, these all are the collection and cultivation and collection of the rolfia. Then here are the chemical structure of the D-serpine and reserpine. Then here are the resinamide, then ajmalicin, then yohimbine, ajmalin, then cyrosingopine. These are the chemical structure of the rolfia. Okay. Then use of this drug is, rolfia is the antihypertensive in the activity. Then it is used in the mild anxiety conditions. Then it is used in the treatment of the circulatory diseases. Then it is a less sedative actions and it is used for the treatment of the mild or moderate hypertensions. Okay, these all are about the rolfia. Then I will start the next is opium. Okay, firstly, what is the synonym of opium? The synonym of opium is raw, opium. Then what is the biological source? It is the dried latex obtained by the incision from unripe capsules of Papaver somniferum lean, then dried or partly dried by heat or spontaneous evaporation, then and worked into the somewhat irregularly shaped mass, that is natural opium, or molded into the masses of more uniform size and shape, that is manipulated opium. Then poppy plant belonging to the family Papaveraceae. It contains not less than the 10% of the morphine and not less than the 2% of the codeine, both calculated as anhydrous morphine. Okay, now I will start the cultivation, collection and preparation of the opium. Firstly, being a potent narcotic drug, a cultivation and other aspects of the opium are governed by the respective government in a different countries, then including India. In India, all the activities about the opium and derivative are controlled under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. The genus Papaver has 15 different species, of which 6 species are found in the India, viz. P. somniferum, that is opium poppy, then P. nudicali, that is Iceland poppy, and P. royas, that is corn poppy, then P. orientale, then P. argemone, and P. dubium. Okay, then poppy is a erect plant attaining 60 to 120 centimeter height. It is rarely branched. The leaves are linear, oblong or ovate oblong and have a dentate or serrate margin. Then it bears blush white, then purple or violet colored large flowers. Then accordingly, the varieties P. somniferum var, then glabrum, then P. somniferum var album, P. somniferum var, then nigrum are described. The second variety is cultivated in India. Then India opium is considered as only legal source of opium to many countries including United States of the America and Britain. Then in India, about the 54,000 hectares of land is under opium poppy cultivation. Then it is under the government control, and cultivation of poppy is restricted to Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Then the weather conditions affect up to the large extent the yield of opium, although temperate climate is the natural requirement of the opium poppy, then it can be grow with success under the subtropical climate in the winter season, then as there is a favorable effect on the yield by cold weather. Then but extreme cold conditions includes the frost, then adversary affect the plant and ultimately yield of the opium. In a short, the best climate conditions for opium poppy are cool weather without freezing temperature and cloudiness and the sufficient sunshine. Then the opium poppy is grown from November to March. Then propagation is done by sowing the seeds, for which 3 to 4 kg of the seeds per hectare are necessary. The seeds admixed with about 3 to 4 part of the sand are shown. Then opium poppy requires highly fertile, then well drained loamy soil with a fine sand. The soil should contain organic matter, nitrogen and should have a pH around. Then the distance between two plants maintained is usually 25 centimeter and the plant reaches maximum height of the 1 meter. Then periodically the thinning of the plant is done get uniform growth and better development. Then the plant are kept totally free from wild with the use of suitable weed, weedicine, weedicides. Then the plant should be protected from the various insect pests like cutworm, then leaf miner and poppy borer. The use of miners and fertilizers markedly improve the quality and yield of the opium poppy. Then especially nitrogen and phosphorus have remarkable effect on the growth of plant. Then after showing within 3 to 4 months, the plant bear flowers which are converted to capsules within a few days and attain maturity after 15 to 20 days. During the maturity periods, the capsule exudes maximum latex which shown a color change from the dark green to light green. Then such a capsule are incised vertically in the afternoon with the help of aseptic needle like apparatus that is called as the nusture. Okay, see in this diagram like that. Okay, then uh, the penetrate maximum up to the 2 mm into the capsule because of incision latex exudes out the thickened due to the cold weather in a night, which is eventually scrapped and collected next morning by the iron scoop called as the carpella. Then the incising process is repeated for about 4 times on the same capsule with a 2 days interval. The incision must remain superficial so as to maintain the external exudation of latex. The latex is collected in the plastic containers. Then capsules are collected and dried in the open area, and further the seeds are separated by beating. The average yield of the opium is about 25 to 26 kg per hectare, and for seeds it is from 4 to 5 quintal per hectare. Then opium is exported traditionally from India. The exports for 95 to 96 and 96 to 97 were rupees 2365.5 lakhs and 4102 lakh respectively. Then the opium collected by this way is either exported or some of the part is further processed at government opium factory at Gazipur. A generalized process is outlined to cover the industrial method for extraction of the alkaloids of the opium. Okay, these all are about the cultivation, collection, and preparation of the opium. Okay, then what is the use of opium? Opium is used as a narcotic analgesic and in the diarrhea. Okay, these are the use of opium. Okay, now I will stop here. In today's lecture, we have discussed about the opium and Rolfia. What is cultivation and preparation of Rolfia and opium? Okay, now I will stop here. Thank you.